What's up, Clickfunnels family? I'm so excited to be here today. So I'm proud award winner of the 2 Comma Club Award, and I just kind of want to share my story with you guys. I started my own business 5 years ago. I was working for a Fortune 500 company as an engineer, kind of did the 9 to 5 and really wasn't finding the satisfaction that I needed out of it. So I decided to actually quit my job after reading The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss, and I moved to Asia. And I really started with this simple $10 a day goal. And that goal was really just to make enough money to survive and to really be able to kind of work to live and not live to work, and kind of really just figure out what my passions were and build my business as kind of a side project. One of the core things that I had with me while traveling was actually one of Russell Brunson's books, and that was the only physical book I brought with me. And I was able to read through that over and over again, and I started off by copying his funnels and really using all of his marketing techniques, and as I kind of learned my own voice and built my story, I started really taking his material and building it into my own material. And so that was a core foundation of building this business today. So for you guys that don't know about Auto PR, we were recently ranked the #1 PR firm in the world by Clutch, fastest growing PR firm in the world by Dwyer's, and now we have a team of 45, and we're constantly growing. We're buying our first building. We have brick and mortar offices. We represent clients like Alibaba, and we have senators as clients. That journey over the last 5 years is just wild to see and so impactful to me, and Clickfunnels was just at the core of that. So what would I tell someone who's trying to kind of start their entrepreneurship journey or sign up for Clickfunnels or win a 2 Comma Club award? So I think the biggest thing that I've coached over and over again is start small. $1 million is a big goal, but when you break it down to a day-by-day goal and kind of level up each time, it's much smaller. My goal starting off was $10 a day profit that I was making on my own so I could survive in Asia. And yeah, I went overseas to Asia, $5 a day hostels and dollar scooters and 50-cent meals. And that was so I didn't have the pressure of kind of that $3,000 apartment, whatever it is. Those pressures were all removed, and I could really focus on me and really kind of just live the lifestyle that I wanted and enjoy the entire process. And that's, I think, why I ended up being successful, is because there was so much less pressure in the sense of needing to fit into society at the time. I was just enjoying my life, enjoying the experience, and getting to really focus on the business, but also focus on myself. After a year of traveling, I did come back, and that's when I really dived into the business. Once I was making enough money to really kind of fit back into the standard society and didn't feel like I couldn't afford to go out to a meal. And that was kind of that big level up. And then for me, the next giant step was hiring that first employee and really implementing. And I always use the Clickfunnels kind of theories and the mentality from the books. I even talked about the books when I was selling clients, and kind of just showed them what we were doing and how we implemented that and the effects it had for us. And so I think, as an entrepreneur, my biggest advice is start small, start with something you can scale, and just build as you can. And a lot of people have success with, starting as their side business and making it their main business, and remove some of that pressure to be successful and really focus on what you want to do and what you're going to enjoy doing.